If you guys have been watching our channel for a while, we actually got our start working on Tundras just like this one about 6 years ago, and we've come a long way. We never did stop testing bulbs to make sure what we're selling is the best, and today I wanted to show you guys an update to the reverse lights on this Toyota Tundra. This information will apply to the 2007 to 2013 model years, and these things are unbelievable. They're like rear-mounted headlight bulbs. I'm going to show you how to install them and how much brighter they are compared to stock. Now the first step is removing these two Torx screws here, one on the bottom, one on the top. At this point, our taillight should come right out. Just like that. And you're going to see some connectors on the back side. Now, this really is as simple as removing this little connector on the bottom here. This is your reverse light. Pull it toward you. You can see our stock bulb right here. Remove the stock bulb. Take your GTR Lighting 1000 lumen reverse light, plug it into the factory connector just like so. And take the bulb itself, it's got a little rubber grommet on it, and you can just twist that rubber grommet into the taillight housing, just like so. And that's really it. That's all there is to do here. Now if you get all this done, you go to try it out and one of these doesn't work, it's likely that this is just plugged in backwards. Go ahead and pull it out, flip it around, plug it back in, it'll work just fine. Go ahead and reinstall your taillight now. Now I know what you're thinking. You must be thinking, there is no way that's all there is to it. He must have missed a step. No, that is really as simple as it is. You can do this with basic hand tools at home. If you've got a Torx screwdriver and 2 minutes of your time, you can install the GTR Lighting 1000 lumen bulbs. Now look at these things side by side. Now the GTR Lighting bulb's got a massive heat sink. This thing's insanely bright. And it's very important that when you put it in the taillight housing, you've got the LEDs facing to the left and right so that this is facing up. It just helps it dissipate the light better, give you a better beam pattern backing up. Now, we've talked about these enough. Let's hop in the truck, let's slap this thing in reverse, let's see how much brighter these are. Now these are one of my favorite products of all time, the 1000 lumen reverse lights from GTR Lighting. They're one of the first things that I install in every single vehicle that I buy. Now, honestly, we just got done reshooting a ton of Toyota Tundra content. Like I said, it gave us our start like 6 years ago, and we've been continuing to update the product line. We just haven't quite updated the videos, and now we're finally catching up. So if you've got a Tundra like this one, be sure to subscribe. We've got a ton of new videos coming out, a ton of comparisons, a lot of product updates, and I want you guys to see them first. Thanks for watching.